Highest paying finance jobs for 2022. How to make money online. Thousandaire Club. If you love mathematics and you like the impact that it has on the world of business, then you are likely to have studied economics or finance in college. Finance is an excellent degree choice that offers challenging work in a variety of industries. While you know that many finance-related careers come with generous salaries, it's good to reflect on some of the highest-paying careers for finance majors before you make any employment decisions as a newly minted finance graduate. Today, I am going to reveal the highest-paying finance jobs for 2022. Please tune in. But before we get into the video, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell notification button so that you will be notified every time we upload new videos. Number 1. Financial managers, median yearly salary $127,990. Almost all the companies in the world need a financial manager for them to realize the required level of profit for the successful running of the company. A financial manager primarily employs cash management strategies and directs the company's investments to reach the company's strategic and economic goals. You'll regularly direct the preparation of financial reports according to company and industry standards as a financial manager. You'll also use your research and analytical skills to find future growth opportunities. The ideal results of your work should be optimized company resources and robust financial performance. As a financial manager, you need to know how to prepare budgets, analyze budget variances, and understand financial statements. You will also need to have superior communication skills because you will be regularly present and you will be required to defend the capital investments initiatives of company board members, executives, and colleagues. Most organizations will employ finance degree graduates who have at least 5 years' experience in the finance field to the financial management position. Number 2. Economist, median yearly salary $104,340. Economists evaluate the economic issues that are related to the production and distribution of raw materials, goods, and services. They present their findings to government agencies, corporations, and academic research organizations. Their work helps public and private groups to forecast important aspects of their operations, such as job availability in specific sectors, labor shortages, and natural resource scarcity. Some of the top skills that an economist needs to have to include qualitative and quantitative analysis, writing, verbal communication, and critical thinking. Economists have great career prospects in many industries that include healthcare, construction, education, and energy. Most employers allow finance majors to compete with economics majors for entry-level economist jobs. Economists are likely to get jobs in the government and many other companies that need people to conduct the economic analysis of the company and the market as a whole. Number 3. Financial risk manager, median yearly salary $99,949. There are many opportunities in the modern market, but that does not mean that there are risks that are likely to affect the companies. Business operators use the services of financial risk managers to find and avoid fiscal pitfalls that derail profits and growth. You'll find financial risk manager jobs in the banking and financial services sectors. Some companies are large enough to employ financial risk managers as in-house experts who support corporate financial managers. The financial risk managers will detect the financial risks in the corporate operations, then analyze the threats that appear in the market. The financial risk manager is supposed to know the regulations that could impact the market position of the company. The financial risk managers not only find the risks, but also provide ways in which the companies can deal with the risks that have been identified. Financial risk managers need to have several skills that include communication, problem-solving, and quantitative analysis to do their jobs. Most financial professionals take jobs as risk managers so that they can gain the needed experience, then become financial managers. Number 4. Personal financial advisor, median yearly salary $88,890. The economic situations are changing rapidly, and some people find it hard to plan for future financial security. Personal financial advisors will help in the reduction of anxiety by providing the necessary investment advice to the people who are just beginning their careers and the ones that are retiring. These financial professionals hold positions of trust, and their highest professional priority is their clients' best interests. As a personal financial advisor, you must meet U.S. Financial Industry Regulatory Authority licensing requirements to work with clients. A bachelor's degree in finance will help you get a job as a personal financial advisor in a financial institution. Now you know the highest finance jobs that give you a chance to earn more. I will be conducting research and presenting such informative videos regularly. All you have to do is hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell notification button so that you will be informed every time we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.